Hi, I picked Schoolology for the assessment tool to use. I've only heard about it a couple times in my subbing. It's based for K through 12, and um, you can request demos and things like that. What was really cool about this is they have 200 plus different tools within their app. So it works with Google Drive, PowerSchool, other ones like that. I also liked the fact that you can choose what class to put your questions in, and you can choose, like, this one, for example, is a high school English teacher, and it's language arts, and it's for grades 9 and 10, and you can pick what the grading period's going to be for it. And then for each class that you have, you can add the same questions or you can have different questions, but you would separate it by class. I really liked this as well because it gives you the grade like right after the kids take it, and you can monitor where they're at in their assessment or assignment that you have scheduled for them. What else was really cool was you can, they have different videos in here, and it helps you with like a beginner's guide. So it talks about the different types of assessment you can do, formative versus summative, essential questions to ask when creating common assessments, and then it gives you tips for creating your common assessments. You can also talk to other teachers in the US or around the world to see what they're doing. You can do projects within this app, and they have 10 questions everyone should ask when you're deciding on a learning management system. They have a beginner's guide, which is really cool. So there was a lot of good information I had found when I was looking up Schoolology. And then this one was really cool, how students can take ownership of their learning. I thought that would be a really good one. Thanks for watching.